Hi everyone, let's discuss something very interesting for today, and let's actually talk about four AI systems that we use all the time. OpenAI's GPT-4o, Google Gemini Pro, Claude 3.5 from Anthropic, and then we have Perplexity AI. We always use these four AI models, but we are not properly informed on what each AI model or AI system is best for. What are their strengths and weaknesses, and which one we should use. So why am I doing this is because we have the ability to combine AI systems, right, into a single workflow. But because when we build a workflow, each prompt has a different intention and a different purpose or goal, it would be great to know which one to use, right? That's why we're doing this. So let's get started. Think for a second, we are hosting the AI Olympics here. The results from Grok, right, which is, as you can see here, the judge. So for reasoning, we see as a winner Claude, which is known for deep reasoning, especially in complex interconnected document sets. For conversational abilities, GPT-4o wins. The multimodality and natural interaction capabilities give it an edge in conversational tasks. Multitasking and context, we have ChatGPT-4o winning with its advanced context handling across different media types, right? Like we can use text, audio, vision, etc. Ethical and safe use, the winner is Claude, right? Because it's often highlighted for its cautious approach and ethical considerations in responses, right? For speed and quick responses, we have as a winner Gemini from Google, known for its efficiency in processing and responding quickly. And general purpose use, content creation, and extensive knowledge. I think everybody knows about this because we are constantly using GPT-4o for content creation, right? So for high ethical standards scenarios like mental health, education, or legal sector, the winner is Claude. Then for enterprise settings efficiency, right, we have Google Gemini Pro as a winner. Then for fact-based inquiries, the winner finally, right, we have Perplexity because it specializes in retrieving factual, up-to-date information. So again, why is this important? Because based on your purpose, you know what to choose. Now, obviously, to use all of them, you would need signing into each one of the models, right? And using them, having an account and using them for each specific task. You use each specific model, but not with Promptmate, because with Promptmate, you can use all of them. So let's just try and do something on Promptmate just to give you an idea how this would work. So let's say we'll use the first prompt for ethical and safe use. And for this purpose, as we said, we will use Claude, which is the best, right? And then we will use a second prompt and we will add GPT-4o for general purpose use, content creation, and extensive knowledge, right? Then we will move forward and use Google Gemini Pro for speed and quick response. And we will leave this empty right now, okay? And then we said Perplexity can be used for fact-based inquiries, so that's what we're going. Then we will go back to, let's say, Claude for high ethical standard scenarios. Then we will use, again, GPT-4o for conversational multitasking and context, right? Okay, we will call this something like optimizing AI for customer service in e-commerce business. Okay, that's our use case. So we will need, the first thing that we will need is Claude 3.5 for ethical and safe use. And then we discuss the ethical considerations of implementing AI in customer service for an e-commerce business. Focus on transparency, data privacy, etc. Here we have to use now Claude, right? Said it's Claude, so let's just go with Claude. And we get the result, right? It says transparency, data privacy, everything we need. So now we go to GPT-4o and we say expand on the ethical considerations mentioned, which is the result from prompt 1, right? Particularly focusing on how AI can improve efficiency while maintaining high customer satisfaction. So we say ethical considerations mentioned are the ones from here, right? So in this case, all we have to do is prompt result 1, and we use ChatGPT-4o. It's already on 4o, and we click save and test. So ChatGPT will expand on this, right, and make this even better. So now on the third prompt, we use Google Gemini, and because Gemini is great for speed and quick responses, we can ask for summarizing. So summarize the key benefits of using AI in e-commerce customer service while maintaining high customer satisfaction. So now we get the result using AI in e-commerce customer service, right? So now it's prompt 2, which we got from GPT-4o. but we're using Google Gemini. So we click save and test to get a summary. And here we are, we have a summary, right? Because Google Gemini is great for these fast and quick responses and really well summarized. So now we need to fact check this, right? So we go here, we select Perplexity, and we say, verify the impact of AI on customer satisfaction in e-commerce. Provide a study or statistic that supports the benefits mentioned. So below, as usual, we give our input, which is the summary we got from Google Gemini. Let's also say mention the sources, right? We go ahead and click save and test. And great, now we have, first of all, it's mentioning the sources. It's giving numbers and statistics, and it's giving also all the needed details, right? So now we go back to Claude and we say, given the positive impact of AI on customer satisfaction, what ethical guidelines should e-commerce businesses follow to ensure AI integration remains customer-centric? And we give both Google Gemini summary, but also Perplexity result stats, right? And here we go to Claude, as we said, right? And it just tells us everything we need to know. Like, for example, comply with relevant data privacy regulations and everything. And this is all based on facts. And obviously it's given by Claude, which is the best model for high ethical standards scenarios, right? And we get all the results here. Now it's not over. We go back to GPT-4o. We are already there in terms of prompt provider. And here we say, how should e-commerce companies communicate their AI integration strategy to customers, emphasizing transparency and a customer-first approach? We can say based on our analysis, right? And then we say analysis, this one, right? And we go and click save and test. And in terms of communication, ChatGPT does a great job, right? Thanks to its conversational abilities, and it gives everything needed in terms of communication, right? So initial announcement, detailed explanation, ethical guidelines, customer empowerment, continuous improvement, and everything needed. Let's just summarize the whole thing and what just happened here, because it may be not clear. What are the advantages that we were able to achieve by combining each AI model with precision in terms of their strong points, right? So just to make it simple for you, combining 4 AI models has enormous advantages compared to when using the same model for all the prompts, all the tasks, right? So for example, combining 4 AI models, you would get, for this specific use case, ethical precision and sensitivity thanks to Claude 3.5, then comprehensive content generation thanks to 4o, speed and summarization with Google Gemini Pro, fact-based accuracy thanks to Perplexity AI, ethical continuity and customer-centric focus again with Claude, and contextual cohesion with GPT-4o. What would happen if you use the same model? You would lose the depth and comprehensiveness of GPT-4o, you would get less specialized responses, factual accuracy not verified, and ethical concerns not balanced. So that's it for this video. If you want, you can use Promptmate and combine not only the 4 AI systems that we discussed in this video, but even other ones like GPT Vision, and then we have Stability AI, DALI, a code interpreter, Mistral AI, and some other ones. Feel free to explore them. I'm pretty sure you can make great use of them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.